Many species have developed unique characteristics through natural selection over millions of years. One such species is the tapir, closely related to both rhinoceroses and horses. However, its appearance is vastly different, resembling a cross between a pig and an elephant, though it is unrelated to either. Additionally, the tapir is a living example of discontinuous evolution, which, simply put, means populations are distributed across regions now inaccessible by man, but share remarkable similarities. To better understand this concept, we need to discuss the tapir's distribution. There are 5 subspecies: the Central American tapir found in Mexico, Central America, Colombia, and possibly Ecuador; the Amazonian tapir, mainly inhabiting the rainforests of South America; the Andean tapir, found in Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, and Ecuador; the black tapir, the rarest, located in specific regions of Colombia, Brazil, and French Guiana. These all live in the Americas. However, traveling to Asia reveals the Malayan tapir, which reside in Brazil, much of Indochina, Sumatra, the Malay Peninsula, and southeastern India. How did this species come to inhabit such distant places that we cannot swim, humans would not live? The answer lies in fossils found in Europe and Asia, dating back 5 million years. Although they differ from modern species, fossils from 20 million years ago display similarities to tapirs. During that time, their geographic range was much wider, enabling them to inhabit larger territories. The ice ages helped shape their current distribution, with the 5 subspecies now solid. All tapirs belong to the family Tapiridae and are horizontal animals, meaning they walk on their toes. These animals have an odd number of toes. Horses have 1, rhinoceroses 3, and tapirs have 4 toes on their front feet and 3 on their hind feet, creating confusion since artiodactyl animals have an even number of toes. However, tapirs belong to the perissodactyl group due to an evolutionary step in which they lost 1 toe on each front foot and 2 on their hind feet. Tapirs are large animals, with a body length of up to 6.5 feet, depending on the species. They have short legs, giving them a height of about 3.3 feet, and weigh between 400 and 700 pounds. Their bodies are robust, but their most distinctive feature is their elongated snout, a mobile and sensitive appendage capable of extending, retracting, and exploring surfaces up to 12 inches in diameter without moving their head. This trunk is highly useful for pulling leaves, grasses, and roots, which make up their primary diet. It also helps them gather aquatic plants in swamps, where they spend much of their day. Additionally, their trunk is used for drinking water and, in males, confronting rivals during mating season. Tapirs have highly developed senses of hearing and smell, though their vision is poor. It is said that a predator moving against the wind in the stillness of the forest can approach within a few feet undetected. When alarmed, tapirs quickly seek refuge in water or dense vegetation. They may also confront predators by attacking with their canines, crushing them with their body, and trampling them. This behavior is common in females protecting their young. The gestation period for a tapir is approximately 13 months, usually resulting in a single calf, though twins are rare. Juvenile tapirs of all species are born with dark fur and light spots on their bodies and legs, a pattern that disappears between 6 and 8 months of age. They follow their mother shortly after birth and remain with her for about a year, reaching 2/3 of their adult size. Their average lifespan in captivity is around 30 years, while in the wild, they live 20 to 25 years. Tapirs are diurnal, resting briefly at night. Each subspecies has unique characteristics that distinguish them, along with their distribution. The Central American tapir has a long, robust snout, brownish-gray fur, and white-edged ears. Its diet includes ferns, grasses, lianas, shrubs, and trees, consuming both tender and mature leaves and spending 70% to 90% of the time feeding. The Andean tapir has dark brown to black fur, long hair, white lips, and 2 patches of fur on its back and nose. The Amazonian tapir has uniformly dark brown fur, with a distinctive crest of stiff hair forming a ridge on its neck. The black tapir, discovered in 2013 but known to indigenous communities, is the smallest species. It measures about 4.3 feet long, African species contend with jaguars, and in South America, also with anacondas and to a lesser extent, spectacled bears. However, the primary threat to all tapirs is habitat loss due to deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization. This problem is driving tapirs toward extinction. For instance, the total population of Central American tapirs is fewer than 5,500, and in countries like El Salvador, they're already extinct. The other subspecies face similar challenges, highlighting the need for conservation efforts. Tapirs play a crucial role in their ecosystems by dispersing seeds that grow into trees, providing habitats for many species. We must remember that we are not the only inhabitants of this planet. Proper rural planning is necessary to minimize the impact on other species. Public education is also vital to foster interest in protecting wildlife. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and share it to help the channel grow. Follow me on social media to stay connected. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing.